everyone, this is Chef Amir. You are watching Chef Live Vlog, and this is a short intro about myself. If you are really interested of culinary, stay tuned, stay focused. First of all, my name is Amir Thapa. I am a professionally chef and I have completed my diploma in culinary arts from Gate College of Hotel Management from Dumbarai, Kathmandu. From there I started to work in kitchen. I got opportunity to work in Hilton Resort and Ras Al Khaimah, and from there my career has been started. And right now at the moment I'm working in Saadiyat Rotana Resort in Abu Dhabi, and with a span of 10 years of experience I have collected a lot of knowledge and gained so many ideas from different countries, chefs and different nationalities, people all around me. And yes, the experience was amazing, and I'm going to explain all this experience and all my knowledge through this channel, and I want to provide you all the appropriate knowledge and appropriate information to all of you guys. Yes, talking about my experiences, I started my career from Hilton Resort and Spa in UAE. There I worked for 2 years in that field, and then I moved to Qatar in St. Regis Gordon Ramsay Fine Dining. There I got opportunity to work with the fantastic, experienced, professional chefs, and I also got opportunity to meet Chef Gordon Ramsay, and I got a lot more information, lot more experience, a lot more motivative tools from there. And from there I moved to Fairmont Dubai in Dubai, situated in United Arab Emirates. And there I got opportunity to work in the restaurant called Noir, the blind dining restaurant, where you cannot see a food but you are more creative and more active on focusing on the flavors and textures. And from there I worked almost 2 years. Then I moved to the amazing landmark in Abu Dhabi, which is Emirates Palace, and this is the best hotel known as a 7-star in Abu Dhabi, which really helped me to focus on the bulk production and amazing cooking skills, and lot more tools and information I gained from this hotel. And right now I'm working as a chef de partie in Saadiyat Rotana and Resort in Abu Dhabi. And yes, this is my experience, and I would really love to share my experience and pass it to all of you guys, all the information, all the ideas and tools I gained. These days I'm working as a chef de partie in an Italian restaurant in Abu Dhabi, in a 5-star property, Rotana Resort and Villas. And in these restaurants we are creating different varieties of Italian dishes, different amazing Italian delicacies. And of course, yes, I have been indulging in different platform back in Nepal as a independent chef consultant. Yes, besides I'm a media producer as well. I have been creating amazing videos from my channel to all the people out there, most related to the culinary field and chef field. And yes, in this kind of videos in my channel, you will find appropriate informative videos, mostly related to a chef life. So guys, if you are really career oriented and if you are focusing on to become a chef in future, then yes, this channel is definitely for you guys. Yes, technically I'm based in Abu Dhabi, and traveling has always been the best pillar of my life. And yes, this has helped me to gain a knowledge of in the culinary a lot more, and I would really appreciate it, and I really want to share my all ideas and information to all of you guys. And yes guys, I will upload this kind of video, this kind of content in my channel to you all guys, and stay focused, stay tuned and keep watching my channel. And of course, having said that, I have spent a lot more time in kitchen industry, and yes, I know, trust me, I know what it feels like from starting from zero to the top. So guys, if these videos are really helping you out to focus on your career, to help you out on progressing your career, then please do not hesitate to smash the like button and subscribe my channel. And of course, yes, this video will really coming back to you with a lot more amazing information. And of course, if you are not subscribing, then I can understand your feelings. Regardless to that, I will be back with a lot more videos. And having said that, at last, this is your man Chef Amir, and yes, you are watching Chef Live Vlog. Thank you for watching my channel in advance and subscribing. Stay tuned, stay focused, and I hope you have a good day.